Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, let's paint simple flower garden during the sunset. It's very easy and anybody can paint it. So I start my daily art vlog with arrangement of all the necessary things which I might need during the painting. And with this, we are done with our pre-painting arrangements. To make a background, I selected 4 colors. I started with the blue and then orange and then yellow, and in the end I just finished it with the green. And as soon as I'm done with my background work, I'll start detailing out with the grass. Towards the green horizon, you have to make sure that the grasses are a little yellower in shade. That just take lighter shade of brown and start applying the grass strokes and add some few details where the edge of your horizon doesn't look odd. So when you press your brush harder, the strokes will be thicker. Make sure you put very light pressure on the brush while you are making these thin strokes. As you will keep on practicing, you will understand what I'm trying to say. So keep on practicing and you will slowly learn how much pressure you need to apply to get what kind of texture by using certain brushes. For example, in this foreground where I'm using the same brush but it gives a different stroke when I apply more pressure on the brush. After I'm done with my detail foreground, midground and background, I'll just detail out the foreground with some flowers. So lastly guys, just removal of the scotch tape on the border and you can see how beautiful it's already looking. And do let me know what you think about today's painting on the comment box of this video. So for next painting, I'm gonna try same kind of artwork with acrylic painting, so stay tuned. Through that, we'll also understand how differently both the medium works. So personally speaking, I find Mother Nature very beautiful and fascinating. So easiest way is to take a inspiration from nature around you and paint. See you in my next video. Bye.